Hello, my friends. Let me ask you a question. What if the life you dream of is already within your reach, waiting for you to claim it? It might sound bold, but the truth is, your current reality is a reflection of what you assume to be true about yourself and your world. Let's talk about how the law of assumption works for everything in your life: relationships, health, wealth, success, everything. The law of assumption is simple yet profound. It begins with a single principle: your assumptions create your reality. Whatever you consistently believe, feel, and assume to be true about yourself and your circumstances will manifest in your external world. Think about this for a moment. How often do you assume the worst and see it come to pass? Now, imagine what could happen if you replaced those assumptions with thoughts of abundance, love, and joy. The results would astound you. To fully grasp the power of this law, start by understanding this: it's not about wishful thinking or hoping something will happen. It's about stepping into the feeling of your desire being fulfilled right now. When you assume a new state of being, your subconscious mind takes it as truth and works tirelessly to bring it into physical reality. This is not magic or superstition, it's a natural law of the mind. For example, let's say you want financial abundance. Most people focus on the lack of money, thinking, "I need more," or "I can't afford this." Those thoughts are rooted in a state of scarcity, and as long as you dwell in that state, you'll continue to experience lack. Instead, assume the feeling of already being financially secure. Close your eyes and feel what it's like to live without financial worries. Picture yourself paying your bills effortlessly, enjoying your desires without hesitation. Hold that feeling consistently, and you'll notice shifts in your external circumstances. This law is not limited to material success. It applies equally to relationships, health, and personal fulfillment. Suppose you feel unloved or unworthy. That feeling will perpetuate experiences of rejection and loneliness. But if you assume you are loved, cherished, and valued, the world will reflect that assumption back to you. The people you meet, the opportunities that come your way, and even your own self-image will transform to align with your new belief. One of the most powerful tools to activate the law of assumption is imagination. Your imagination is not just a fleeting daydream, it's the workshop of creation. Whatever you vividly imagine, coupled with the feeling of its reality, will take form. Dedicate time each day to visualize your ideal life as though it's happening now. Use all your senses to make it real in your mind. Feel the excitement, joy, and gratitude as if it has already manifested. The more real it feels to you, the faster it will become your reality. Now, let's address a common concern. Many people say, "I tried this, but nothing happened." The key is persistence. It's not enough to imagine once or twice and then give up. You must persist in the assumption of your desired state, regardless of what your current reality looks like. Reality is a mirror, and mirrors take time to reflect change. Your unwavering belief and consistent practice will break through any resistance and align your external world with your inner state. Another important aspect is self-concept. How you see yourself determines what you experience. If you view yourself as unlucky, unworthy, or incapable, those assumptions will shape your life. To change your reality, you must first change how you see yourself. Affirm your worthiness, your capability, and your right to a joyful life. Replace negative self-talk with empowering statements like, "I am deserving of love," or "Success comes to me easily and effortlessly." Here's a practical exercise: every night before you fall asleep, replay your ideal day in your mind. This is a golden moment because your subconscious is most receptive as you drift into sleep. Feel the emotions of your desired life as if it's already yours. This simple practice, done consistently, will reprogram your mind and create remarkable changes in your life. Let me remind you, the law of assumption is not about forcing or struggling. It's about relaxing into the truth of who you are, a powerful creator. When you assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, you align with the creative power that shapes the universe. It's not about effort, it's about alignment. There may be moments when doubt creeps in or your current circumstances feel overwhelming. In those times, return to your inner world. Remind yourself that everything you see is temporary and can change. Your inner state is the cause, your outer world is the effect. Stay rooted in this understanding, and you'll find the strength to persist. The beauty of the law of assumption is that it empowers you to take control of your life. You're no longer a victim of circumstances or a passive observer of life's events. You're the author, the director, and the star of your story. What you assume, you become. What you feel, you create. What you believe, you experience. Assumptions are not just mental exercises, they guide your behavior and influence your energy. When you carry an assumption of confidence, you unconsciously walk taller, speak with assurance, and radiate a sense of self-belief. People respond to this energy, reinforcing your assumption. Conversely, if you approach situations with self-doubt or hesitation, the reactions you receive often align with those fears. This dynamic shows that your assumptions act as a bridge between your inner state and the external results you experience. It's important to address a subtle yet significant aspect of the law of assumption, the role of letting go. This does not mean abandoning your desires but releasing the tension and resistance around them. When you assume the reality of your desire as already fulfilled, there is no need for struggle or desperation. A calm certainty replaces the frantic need to control every detail. This relaxed state allows the creative power of your assumptions to work more effectively, free from the interference of doubt or fear. To make the law of assumption work for everything in your life, you must align your words, thoughts, and actions with your desired state. It's not enough to merely think positively, your entire being must reflect the reality you want to create. This includes how you speak about yourself and your circumstances. Words carry immense power, and each word you speak reinforces an assumption. Speak with intention. If you desire success, say, "I am successful." If you seek health, affirm, "I am healthy and whole." These words, when spoken with conviction, act as seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious. Practice gratitude as a companion to your assumptions. Gratitude amplifies the feeling of having, which is the core of the law of assumption. By expressing thanks for the fulfillment of your desires, even before they manifest, you align yourself with the reality you seek. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier, turning your assumptions into a magnetic force that draws your desires into your life effortlessly. So, I ask you, what are you assuming about your life right now? Are your assumptions serving you, or are they holding you back? Take a moment to reflect and decide what you want to create. Then, assume it with all your heart. Feel it, believe it, and persist in it. The universe will respond in ways that will leave you in awe. This law works for everything. No dream is too big, no desire is too small. Whether you want to heal a relationship, achieve a career breakthrough, or simply find peace within yourself, the process is the same. Assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled and trust the process. Your assumptions are the seeds you plant in the garden of your life. Nurture them with faith, water them with persistence, and watch as they bloom into the reality you've always desired. Your journey is unique, and the power to create lies within you. Now is the time to claim the life you deserve. Step into the feeling of your desires being fulfilled and watch as everything aligns perfectly. Life is not happening to you, it's responding to you. Assume wisely, my friends, and you'll discover that the possibilities are truly limitless.